Welcome to the serene skies above Vehrahena. Today, we take you on an unseen journey through a village that holds one of the most unique spiritual wonders of the world. From the lush greenery of Mathura to the towering presence of the Buddha, let's explore the history and the future of this sacred land. The name, Vehrahena, literally translates to the mound of the temple. In the early 20th century, this area was nothing more than a thick jungle. It was a humble, quiet village where nature reigned supreme. Legend says that in ancient times, this site was a retreat for Arhat monks, but over centuries, the jungle swallowed the ruins, leaving only a small mound and a single bo tree. The modern history of this temple began with an act of exile. In 19th century, the most venerable Parvahera Revatha Thero was sent here as a disciplinary measure. He arrived with only a blanket, a mattress, and a ball. Living in a tiny clay hut, he didn't see a punishment, he saw a vision. With the help of villagers and the blessing of Angarika Dharmpala in 1939, he began building the world's first and largest tunnel temple, inspired by the Umagga Jatak stories. Today, Vehrahena is a global pilgrimage site. The giant statue, completed in 1976, now stands protected by a storied building. Below it lies the 600-foot Tunnel of Enlightenment. The walls are covered in thousands of intricate murals depicting the life of the Buddha. Even from the sky, you can feel the immense scale of this spiritual achievement, a monument built almost entirely by the devotion of ordinary people. But Vehrahena is also moving toward the future. As we fly toward the newly built Vehrahena station, we see the progress of the Southern Railway extension. This modern station now connects this historic village directly to the rest of the island, bringing new travelers and energy to this quiet corner of Mathura. It is a bridge between the ancient traditions of the temple and the rapid growth of modern Sri Lanka. Vairahena is more than just a destination, it is a story of transformation, from a jungle mount to a spiritual beacon. We hope this aerial perspective has shown you a side of this village you've never seen before. Thank you for joining us.